day in Almaty. I'm about to go to Astana next, but before that I'm going to see the mountains, beautiful mountains around Almaty. So come along, let's check them out together and then we'll go straight to the airport.
My good friend Baur offered to show me the Shymbulak mountains around Almaty and also the Medeu Winter Sports Complex, and then to drive me to the airport. Guys, next time I'm in the country, I'm gonna do a special vlog so you get to know Baur and what he does. It's gonna be a good one, just wait for it. But for now, let's sit back, relax and enjoy the scenery.
Welcome to Kazakhstan. Guys, we made it only to the first of 3 summits, and then this goes way back. Well, you can keep going 1 hour, more than 1 hour in the cable car. It's really beautiful here. It's really beautiful. why they should come to Kazakhstan. First, Kazakhstan is friendly, it's free, and it's beautiful, and we love guests. Yes, I gotta tell you guys, in Kazakhstan they are the best hosts. I mean, everywhere you go, they're very graceful, very kind to you. They help you from the bottom of their heart. So yes, come to Kazakhstan. Come to Kazakhstan. And we have very delicious food.
That is true. That's true.
See you
In Kazakhstan.
in Kazakhstan.